Ever wondered about the do's and don'ts of Valentine's Day? Well, it's a day that can be as tricky as it is tender, as baffling as it is blissful. So let's navigate this labyrinth of love together. Firstly, do make the day special. It doesn't require a grand gesture or an extravagant gift. It can be as simple as a heartfelt note or a home-cooked meal. The key is thoughtfulness, demonstrating that you know and value what your partner cherishes. On the flip side, don't forget the day. Even if you and your partner aren't big on Valentine's Day, completely ignoring it can send the wrong message. A simple acknowledgement can go a long way. Do surprise your partner. It could be with their favorite flowers, a book they've been wanting to read, or even a surprise date. These unexpected gestures keep the spark alive and show your partner that you're thinking of them. However, don't overdo it. While surprises are fun, going overboard can create unnecessary pressure and expectations. Keep it simple, keep it sincere. Do take the opportunity to express your feelings. Valentine's Day provides a perfect backdrop to open your heart and share your emotions. But don't use the day as an excuse to avoid expressing your feelings the rest of the year. Love should be celebrated and expressed every day, not just on February 14th. Do make your partner feel special. This could be by doing something they love or something that makes them feel loved and appreciated. Conversely, don't make the day all about you. It's a day to celebrate love and partnership, not a one-man show. In conclusion, Valentine's Day is all about thoughtfulness, surprises, expression of feelings, and making your partner feel special. But remember, it's not about forgetting the day, overdoing things, using the day as an excuse, or making it all about you. Valentine's Day is a day to celebrate love in all its forms, and these simple tips should help you navigate it with grace and joy. So whether you're a seasoned romantic or a Valentine's Day novice, remember that the best gift you can give is your time, your attention, and your love. Because in the end, isn't that what Valentine's Day is truly about?